So I waited a while before I wrote a review about this, and I take it with me everywhere. So it is incredibly powerful for a little thing. My hair, so you can see, is very short, and I style it often, like really often, and I absolutely love it. And it takes maybe about not even 10 minutes, and there are three different settings, and I would buy this again even if it crapped out on me tomorrow, just because it's so gentle. It heats up but it doesn't get too hot. It comes with this wonderful travel bag, and I'm constantly in between staying at my boyfriend's or going out and having like a really quick overnight trip, kayaking, or going to do something very active. So this is definitely very helpful for me, and I really recommend it. And I would buy it again, like I said, even if it didn't work tomorrow. It's lasted me this long, and it doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere soon. So would highly 10 out of 10 recommend this brand and this particular exact one.
So you gotta take with a grain of salt whenever we reconstruct.
O sea, ya viene con el cepillo. Te lo recomiendo.
On two legs, right? Walking like a human.